G'day there, welcome to 2024, and this is the first ever official Fuel to Feast episode. Now the couple of videos that are already on the channel are sort of a rehash from Throttle Down Under videos, just to put some foodie stuff on this channel. And I'm at the end of a week and a half motorcycle journey from Sydney down to Geelong into Tasmania, 5 days traveling around Tasmania on motorcycles with some of my favourite people, and then heading home. Now, my trip home has been a solo one, so what I thought I'd do, I'd stop into one of the nicest pubs that I know on the way home between Geelong and Sydney, called the Sir George at Jugiong. I think the town's called Jugiong, something like that. Figured what better way to kick off the Fuel to Feast channel with one of the best pubs, the best food in any pub in New South Wales, and with immaculate accommodation. I'm going to stay here the night as well. So I'll show you my cabin, I'll show you around the pub and the beautiful landscaped grounds around, and of course we'll have a delicious meal here as well. Anyway, hope you enjoy Fuel to Feast. This is the first of many destinations that I'll be visiting in 2024. Welcome to the beautiful Sir George Hotel and its incredible gardens nested in the heart of Jugiong, New South Wales. Situated amidst the rolling hills and the lush landscapes approximately 3 hours southwest of Sydney. As you step onto the grounds of the Sir George Hotel, you're greeted by a sense of history and elegance. The hotel is steeped in heritage and offers a great spot for travellers seeking respite from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's not just the hotel that beckons visitors, it's the captivating gardens that truly steal the show, and the menu that could rival some of Australia's best gastro pubs. This will awaken your senses, it will soothe your soul, and it will most certainly warm your belly. Alright, so I'm staying here in the black cabin, so let's take you for a little walk around and have a look at the cabin. So this is cabin number 2, and as you can see there's a nice little nook there underneath the TV. Now it doesn't have freeware, but it's got all of the internet and pay TV and all that sort of stuff attached to it. Then we've got the main bed, or the only bed. Looks like a very big, comfortable queen size bed there. A little kitchenette with a complimentary continental breakfast as well. And let's check out the bathroom. I'm a bit of a fan of a barn door rolling open, and let's have a look in the bathroom. As you can see, so light, so modern, absolutely beautiful. Definitely a comfortable place to be for me tonight. So I'm going to unpack the bike and I'm going to come in here, have a shower and relax, and then we'll be taking you down to the pub for dinner and show you the restaurant. Just a very short stroll through the beautiful gardens from my cabin. I went down to the beer garden to have some dinner. Now on this occasion I was joined by a couple of old school friends, and it was really nice to catch up, so I won't show too much of that. But it did give us the chance to sample 3 things on the menu. We had the burgers, we had the fish and chips, and we had the steak and salad, and it was all absolutely exceptional. Well, I have to say, that was absolutely delicious. The steak, the porterhouse was incredible. Salad and the dressing, lovely. And what an amazing location. Anyway, I'm going back up to the cabin now for a bit of an early night, I think, so I can hit the road back to Sydney in the morning. Well, good morning. That was an incredible sleep in a very comfortable bed. But I've got a question for you. How many cushions is too many cushions? Well, good morning. It's a beautiful morning here in Jugiong. and I think that's how you pronounce it, Jugiong. I was listening to people last night in the beer garden talking Jugiong, not Jugiong. I don't know what I was calling it yesterday. Anyway, what a beautiful place. The pub is exceptional. The food is amazing. The huts at the back, the cabins, the black cabins are stunning. I'll be back. I really like it here, and I think I'll definitely be back again. The town's starting to wake up. The trucks and cars are passing through, but I've just been wandering around the gardens with a beautiful cup of coffee and just enjoying it before I jump back on the bike and head back to Sydney, which will be the end of my epic Tasmanian adventure, which is kind of sad. There's always a part of me at the end of a holiday that is glad to be home, but clearly there's the other part that would like to be travelling all the time. Anyway, folks, until the next Fuel to Feast episode, stay safe.